Okay, this is a Samsung Galaxy Active 2 LTE version. This is how I customize mine to make it look like a Rolex. You can make yours look any way. I just want to show you how I set mine up if you're interested in making yours look totally different. All right, now these you can order on eBay. I got these all on eBay. So basically these are just like these housings that's like rubber. As you can see, it looks like real metal actually. So it's pretty cool. Actually, looks like real metal, and there's like a protective coating right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, like a rubber coating right there. I bought like a bunch of them. I got gold, I got black, I got 2 silvers because I'm a big fan of silver, as you can see. So let's just get right into it. First thing I did was my band. I did not like the watch band in any form or any way. I went on eBay. I ordered me a bunch of these bands. Like I said, I'm a big fan of silver. You can get gold, you can get any color you want. This is just how I set mine up. So I got 2 of these, and I already kind of put it on my watch already. So I kind of want to show you guys what it looks like on mine. So I got a black and silver one, and bam, that's what mine looks like right now. So that's like a black and silver tint right there. These are stainless steel. These are only like anywhere from $7 to $8 on eBay. Real stainless steel, good quality. This as you buy in a store, super cheap, better than paying $60-70 for one, you know. But all right, let's kind of just get into this right here. I don't want the video to be too long for you guys. So again, these you can get on eBay. Everything I got, everything you see, I got, well, that I purchased, I got on eBay. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is clean up the inside. A lot of fingerprints. So you want it to look all nice and pretty. There we go. Same thing with the watch. Make the watch look pretty. Now I just want to show you how easy it is to put these things on. So this is how easy it is. I would suggest going to side with the buttons first, because that's like the easiest. So you got the buttons right there. Buttons right here. Just line it up. Being that it's rubber, of course it's like real easy. You just stretch it across. Well, it's not even really stretching. It's like super easy. It's like real mushy rubber, so it's like super easy to put on. It's just like bam, bam, and bam. There you have it right there. Look at that. Does that look cool? What? Okay, so this is the band, kind of one of the bands I chose for now. Because I do have my old Rolex here, and I kind of lost the spring in it. I tried using my Rolex watch band to go on this. It had the perfect fit like this, but I didn't recognize this part right here. So when I undid it, it had like this big thing right here. And there's no way to, you see there's like, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's no hose on the side of it, because you need hose on the side of it. So I wasn't able to put that in there. I really wanted this one in there. But I did order one. It doesn't have the Rolex symbol on it. But I did order a silver and gold one as well, because like I said, I'm a big fan of silver. And the silver and gold looks pretty sweet too. So, okay, let's put this back here. Yeah, I kind of destroyed this band. I'm going to have to get a hook for it. And now with my other one, of course you can see this is way too big. So, but the band right here again, I thought it would have been the perfect fit, but it was just like a centimeter off, so it couldn't really fit in there. So that band didn't work either. So, but I'm going to show you guys a trick too. So you can actually order bezels online. Again, I go ebay.com and get my stuff. So you can actually order a bezel, which easy comes off, and you can like put one on. Okay, keep in mind this one is like thick, really thick. But they do have bezels custom made for this watch. This one is 44 mm. That's like the size of it, 44 mm on it. So it's just like right there. So that's how it would look. It wouldn't pop out like that though, because the one they have is metal. It's like super thin. But I just kind of want to show you what it guys would look like when I get mine in. It's going to be flat though. It won't be thick like that. But these are called bezels. You can buy like a whole bunch of them. So just remember, for the 44 version, you want the 44 mm bezel. Otherwise, any other size wouldn't fit. Okay, let's turn my watch on here. Oh, turn the battery off on this guy. Okay, here we go. As you can see, it's the Active 2. Put some of my things away here. Clear out some of this here. All right, so this is another thing you guys can do. So again, I'm a big fan of Rolex, but you know, you can have any of the other brands, like, you know, whatever brand you want to mimic. You can mimic this guy you want, whatever. All you want to do is go online, Google the face without the hands, take a picture of it, download the picture, whatever. And this is the software you want to use right here, Mr. Time. That's the software I use to make it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So again, I'm trying to make a Rolex. So I'm trying to mimic this guy here. Takes a little while to go on, but you'll get there. Get my tablet ready. Show you guys some stuffs. Don't mind my tablet. My tablet is like real old and nasty, but you know, it's for the YouTube. All right, here we go. Bam. That's my Rolex right there. Can kind of like go back this way in there. Clean it up a little bit. Go back here. So I got like a lot of faces, but I really like custom making it my own. Now, one thing about this thing, it freezes up a little bit here and there. See, when you first turn it on, but as you can see right there, I don't know if you guys can see that, but go right here. There we go. Right there it says Rolex right there. Bunch of diamonds around it. And of course, when I get my bezel, it's going to look pretty sweet. So I'm getting a bezel for it. Not these thick watch bezels, but bezels that's custom made for these. So it's going to kind of look like that with the band on it. I'm going to get the bling bling ones though. All right, now I'm going to show you how I made this. All right, let's zoom in on this. Okay. So I did like a whole bunch of them. Put this in the middle. Okay, so these are the ones I did right here. I got like a whole bunch of them, a whole list I did. You guys can't see that, huh? All right, let me bring it up here. Bam. Okay, these are a whole bunch of Rolex faces I made right here. You can easily customize your own, like super easily. I'm just going through some faces here. Again, that's my favorite. The black and blues is my favorite, but okay, I'm going to show you how I customize mine and where I got my parts from. Again, you can get any design you want, whatever. I just chose this one. I thought the black was pretty good, cool. I'm going to be getting the silver and gold soon, coming by mail. Again, it's from eBay, so you know it can take forever to get to you. Now, I want to get like a plain silver one, like this one as well, a shiny silver. But this one, I just got the faded, kind of like the brush steel. But I'm gonna show you where I got these things from. All right. I like it because you can change a whole bunch of faces. You can mimic any watch there is. So it's pretty cool, pretty awesome. But, all right. I want to show you how to do that. I got my tablet right here. Hey, hold on, let me turn this on real quick. All right, there we go. Zoom in a little bit. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, so I just typed in Samsung Active. It's supposed to be a 2. Hold on. Samsung Active 2 watch bezel. That's what I typed in. And then you go straight to shopping. Basically here, let me show you. So right here, mine is the 44 mm. That's the size of mine. And you can already see there's a bunch of things you can order for it. So to get the exact ones I got, this is what I did. I just went straight to shopping. So you click on shopping. Goes right up. And you don't want these bezels. Those bezels are kind of like generic, but hold on, let's go desktop view. There we go, that's better. Okay, these are the ones you don't want, but you can't get these. I mean, if you like these, you can get them. It's just plain metal that wraps around it. No decorations, no nothing to it. It's more preference of what you want. You can get it from Amazon, eBay, wherever. But these are the ones that I got right here. I didn't get it from that person though, but these are the ones I got. See, they got like coming all these different colors. And keep in mind, this is the price of one of them. So you want to look for something that's like $2 to $3, or even cheaper if you can get it, because that's the price for one of them, not all of them. I thought it was all at first, and I kept looking. So this is the band I got. I paid $7 for mine. Again, it's from eBay, so this is my band right there. That's the one I got. That's the name of it. Well, sort of the name of it, whatever. And then again, there's tons of bands, add-ons you can get for it. See how cheap the band protective thing is that goes around it? Protective housing. You get a whole bunch of them for different watches, different brands. But we want to make sure you get the one that's right for you. And that's a pure silver one I got right there. Of course, I didn't spend that. Look at the price on that. It's insane. I spent $5 for mine, shipping and handling. Look at that. They want $30 for that. Heck no. eBay, guys. eBay. I always shop on eBay. And you get things like this too, like protective glass. If you want protective glass, but I don't want protective glass because, you know, that thing would just crack in no time. But you know, you get all different kind of protective glasses for it. You can get different bands, different styles, a whole bunch of stuff. Again, we're looking for bezels. So we're gonna go back up here. Another way to look for it is you can go straight to images. Now when images pop up, you can see real easy what kind of band you want. Sometimes they sell like the whole set. You can buy like the whole, you know, the screen protector, the case for it. Well, I call it the rubber case, the band. See, they even got weird looking bands like that. They got all different kind of watch bands. It's whatever you want, or whatever they got anyway. But here we go. This is what I mean by different bezels. These are super thin, and they're adhesive. But like I said, mine I have like a rubber case around it anyway. So I'm gonna super glue it to this guy right here. So I don't care how much super glue it so it doesn't come off. But anyway, this is just some of the ones you can buy. You know, they get all different colors, different styles. They got like a pack right there. You can see a bunch of different colors. And it's just bezels for it, which is pretty cool. But I'm gonna get the bling bling one. But look at that. Look at all these weird style bands they got. I mean, people gotta be buying these things, man. Remember, eBay's the cheapest. Then we got like a blue one, stainless steel blue. That's pretty awesome too, but not my style. But look at that. Isn't that cool? What? Look at all the different colors they got. I mean, they got more colors than this, more different things. But I just want the, you know, bezel that looks like this. They got like these fake diamonds on it. I wish it was real diamonds, but you know, hey. Look at that. Then we got silver rose gold. Actually, I might buy this one actually to go with my rose gold one. That I might buy. That looks pretty cool. Now, it looks like a rose gold to me, but sometimes when you get it, it's not really rose gold, or it's not gold. It's like one or the other. It's just, sometimes it's not what it says it is, but either way, I'm always happy with it. Look at that. They got like a fuchsia color one. See, look at that. You can have all these weird colors to it. There's your rose gold. There's your gold, and there's your rose gold. There you go, yeah. But the black one is super nice too. And keep in mind, you can have any watch face you want, or any watch face you make or download, whatever. And I like name brands, so I made mine to Rolex. But look at that. Look how cool these look. Again, this is just a sample. I got the brush still because if it scratches, if it's shiny, if it scratches, it's noticeable. If the brush still gets a scratch on it, you can't even tell. That's the cool part about it. All right, let's just go into this. But you guys get the idea how to do it anyway. So there's all different styles. There's like ladies versions. There's like heart stuff. And keep in mind, if you find any watch bands, that is actually a 44. So here, let's go again. So, sorry. So if it's the watch band, it has to be 20 mm. The band is 20 mm. For the active 2 LTE version is 20 mm. The big one, of course, not the small one. Well, the small one might be the same. And it has to have holes on the outside part. You see, like this one doesn't have holes on the outside part. That's why I couldn't use this band. So you can just go to the store and just buy a band, or if you see like a cheap watch, just buy a watch and just get the band, see if the band works for you. But keep in mind, look at these prices. That is a ripoff. You can get these real super cheap. All you gotta do is browse on eBay or Amazon and look for what you want. I can go on and on about these, man. Let me tell you, I can buy a whole bunch of these guys. These are so cool. Look at this guy right here. I mean, that's not my style, but it's pretty cool that that's stainless still. Now this one, I wouldn't mind getting rose gold and the silver rose gold. That's pretty nice right there. But again, look at the prices, yeah.